Hi guys, this is Darshana Agarwal and I would be giving you some quick tips on roller skating for beginners. Do not get confused, there are two types of skates, four-wheelers and inliners. Four-wheeler are for beginners and inliners are not, as it requires more balancing, more proper postures, and it is at an expert level. Firstly, the equipments that you would be requiring for roller skating is a good pair of skates that will be fitting you. You can buy the skates just keeping in mind that it shouldn't be big or small. It should be the exact length of your leg that will be fitting you. Since you are just starting out, wear a helmet as it will be making you feel more comfortable, as everyone takes few or more spills while starting out. So a helmet is necessary. Knee pads and wrist guards. Your hands and knees are bound to hit the floor fewer times. So from getting scratched up, knee pads and wrist guards are important. Assuming the right posture before wearing the roller skates. Place your feet shoulder width apart, bend your knees and squat. Lower your backside towards the ground and lean slightly forward in a comfortable squatting position. Do not forget the proper posture helps you in balancing more easy. Thirdly, now when you have known what are the equipments required and what is the proper posture, you are about to take the first step on your skates. But before that, do not forget tightening up your wheels and just taking the first step with the more comfortable and ease position, which is known as walk like a duck, with your heels together, putting your toes pointed out. Begin walking slowly forward, first to the right, then to the left, then to the right, and so on. Continue squatting and keep your heels directly underneath your body so you can move just more easily. Keep your balance, correct position, and correct posture. Practice until you can comfortably walk in the skates, keeping your balance. Now learn how to glide. As you just known how to walk, you can loosen your wheels 25% ease so that now you can glide. Lengthen each stride that you take by allowing yourself to roll a while. Push off one foot and glide with the other foot to lose the momentum when you're just switching your glide foot. Now, when you have learned how to walk, how to glide, it's time when you know how to stop the skates as well. When you are roller skating, you should be equipped with a brake located on the toe of a skate. To stop the glide with your skates parallel to each other, they are in a squatting position. Just lean slightly forward and put a brake with the skates. If you do not have a brake on your skate, you can even put a T brake, which is just if you are gliding with your left foot, you can put the right foot backward just behind the left foot and make an alphabet T, which will be helping you in giving a break. When you are just learning these positions, the proper balancing, the proper posture, these are for the beginners. After these, you can do a heel toe, you can do jumps, you can do a cross turnover and many other things. But then for that, you need to have proper postures, proper balancing. This would be a quick tip which will be helping you. Keep skating, guys.